Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a video tutorial on how to install RAM into a computer. And if you're not familiar with what RAM is random access memory. This here is what a RAM card looks like. It comes in DDR, which is outdated, DDR2, which is outdated, and DDR3, which is currently the standard. This is a 2 GB stick. As you can see, I have a very crappy computer here. It will be going through a bunch of upgrades pretty soon, but for now, it is what it is. And when you're dealing with computers and the insides and components and stuff, you always want to take the proper precautions. You can buy an electrostatic wrist strap or whatever they're called, and it's like a little band that wraps around your wrist there, and it has like a metal thing that grounds you to your case, and you would clip it onto something metal here, there, and whatnot. And I don't have that, so I'm using kind of the old-fashioned method where every once in a while you go down and you touch something metal on the case, whether it be the bottom of the power supply or here, bottom of the case here. So when you handle everything, make sure that you take the proper precautions so you don't hurt your computer. So in this video, like I said, I will be putting in RAM. Now some computers, like mine, since the power supply is mounted up at the top, you might have to remove some wires from the optical drive and the hard drive. That would be the power connectors and the serial ATA cables down there. And here are the RAM slots. They usually come in 2s, 4s like this, and 3s. And I don't know if this is dual. I think it's dual channel. So that means 2 RAM cards work together, so they aren't as slow as if it was just a single card. So let's get on with the tutorial. Right now I'm not using a tripod because I can't find it, and I don't really have that steady of a hand, so you might see the camera shake a little bit. I'm going to have to put the camera down to turn the card around so I can put it in properly, so give me a second. Okay, I got the card turned around in my right hand now. So, what you're going to do, I already have one card in, as you can see. So I'm going to put in the other one. And you do that simply by matching them up. I don't know if you can see that. Matching them up with this slot here, all the way down. And there's 2 clips on the side, and you just match it up there, so it's even. And now push down on both sides until you hear a clicking noise. Alright, and then the white clips should snap into place, and that's basically how you install some RAM. So there will be other video tutorials in the future, not until December though, when I start getting parts for my computer. Those will probably include a new case, which will show you how to move components over to a new case from an old case. Also, it'll be swapping out a power supply and adding a graphics card. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is my first tutorial. I don't know how it will go over. Hopefully it'll go over pretty well. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe for PC tutorials. Thank you.